What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a Shein haul and I'm super excited because I feel like I picked out some really good pieces and just a lot of variety. Like I'm staring at these amazing pair of like workout leggings that you could work out in, but you could also style up. Some really nice like fall kind of dresses, a little bit of some summer stuff still that you could transition into fall. Just a ton of really good pieces. Shein is sponsoring this video. I don't know if I just mentioned that. I literally can't remember. I feel like my brain's not working today. But yeah, Shein is sponsoring this video, so huge shout out to them. I'm obsessed with them. You guys know I only work with brands that I absolutely love. I'm a huge fan of their website because they have so much variety. They're literally updating new arrivals like almost every single day. There literally is so much variety. You're gonna find something no matter what your style is, and not only are you gonna find something, it's gonna be super affordable. I love that because I always say I'm the type not to spend a lot of money on fashion. There's always these like trends, and if you spend so much money, it's not even worth it because I feel like a few months later you'll not really feel it anymore. So Shein is the perfect website to go to, try out a bunch of trendy items, and you know you're not breaking the bank. So Shein is already so affordable. Like literally their stuff is so incredibly affordable. You guys are gonna be obsessed. And a lot of you guys even messaged me already saying that you already love them just based off of my past videos with them. But I do have a discount code. If you use the code Macedo15, you can actually get an extra 15% off. So you're already gonna get these pieces for literally such a good price, and then on top of it you can use my code and get 15% off. So I'm gonna share with you guys some pieces that I got. I literally have a huge pile right here. There are some bomb pieces, so I'm excited. Okay, this is the first fit, you guys. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I am currently decorating this room, so ignore that's not done. But I love this fit so much. I'm obsessed with these pants. These are like some really nice, like almost cargo style joggers, but they have kind of that like snow pant material, but they're a little bit softer than that material. Like it's a nice soft material still. I love them. They're so comfy. And they're a really nice like gray kind of blue tone. I paired this outfit with some white sneakers, and I'm obsessed with this top. It's just a really cute, like almost like a sagey green olive top. And I love how you can scrunch the sides up. You can scrunch it like really small to make it like a crop top. So I love it. Just feeling the vibes of this fit. So this is the next fit. I'm like pretending that I have heels on right now, but I actually really love these pants. They're like leather legging with the zipper detailing. I actually really like them, but they are really big on me. I had to tie it at the back here. Like they're super big, so I definitely could have benefited from getting a medium. So I would definitely suggest getting your true size in these. And I probably could benefit from wearing like maybe thong Spanx with this, just to like hold everything in and tuck everything in better. But overall, I think these pants are really cute, and this little crop top I'm absolutely obsessed with. The crop top fits really nicely. I think I can't remember what size I got in this, but I think it fits really nicely. It's like a little bit of a casual fit, but I love this color, and it's actually very soft. Super smooth and super soft. Okay, so these leggings are incredibly comfortable, and I feel like they really snatch you and like hold you in. They are a bit tight. Like I got mine in a medium, and I definitely feel like I could have gotten a large, but I do feel like they snatch you and they make your butt look really good because they have that like V seam at the back. I really like these. I did fold the bottoms a little bit because you guys know I am 5'1", but these are nice. Like I feel like they really snatch you up as well and like tuck you in. So the next item I'm so obsessed with, it's literally just an oversized t-shirt dress, but I feel like this is so comfy just to throw on and run errands in the summer. Or you can, I have shorts under here to show you guys a different way to style it. So you could do like a tone on tone, pair it with some gray biker shorts, tuck it in on the side, and there you go. You have another option of just wearing it as like an oversized tee. And I love the butterfly. It's so pretty. And it says become the change, and it's a very soft material. Like this t-shirt. It's super, super, super soft. It doesn't feel like your basic, like scratchy type of tee. It's super soft material. Okay, this next top is so adorable, you guys. It is a neon orange, kind of like this v-neck collar top. It's actually pretty unique. I've never seen like a top like this with this beautiful like v-neck collar. It's very like cute and sexy with the neon, and of course you can kind of tuck it in if you want it to be more cropped. But I just love this, and it has like that really pretty lettuce edge. This would look gorgeous with a nice like gold necklace too. But yeah, I just think this is the cutest top. I did get mine in a large, and I do feel like it's pretty loose on me. I probably would stick to your true size. I'm a true medium, so I do wish that I got a medium in this. Then I got this really pretty, just like super simple v-neck gray top with the lettuce edge. I love just how simple and easy it is. I feel like this is something you could just easily throw on. And I kind of like how it's a little bit of a looser, like casual fit. Okay, I love, love, love this outfit. So this is just a really pretty like long sleeve with a little bit of a notch right here, which I love the little notch because it's like really sassy. And I did get it in a large because I kind of wanted it to have like that very like loose, like comfy vibe. You see how it kind of just, it's not on my body. I kind of like that about it. It's very like sporty, but still like pretty and cute. I love this. Okay, then I got the cutest baby pink long sleeve lettuce edge top, and I love the v-neck because it just has a little bit of cleavage, and I like that it's not too short, like it doesn't show too much belly, or you can easily just roll it up and show a little bit more. I really love this top. I feel like it's super flattering. Here is another look at the top, so you can see the true color. It's like a really beautiful baby pink. It actually matches my nails. Very, very, very pretty. This is how mopey Sugar gets when I film because I'm not giving him any attention, so he's just like all mopey. I promise I'm gonna play with you later, my baby. Okay, I love, love, love this dress, you guys. I feel like it is so flattering, and it's also very versatile. Like, you can make it longer if you untie the strings. You can actually make it shorter if you're super short, or just whatever you want. And if you find the strings are too long, like I find the strings are too long, what I'll probably do is cut the ends of them because I don't need all this extra length. That way, it'll just be like shorter. Like, try to just imagine, there you go, like it looks better, you know, if I just cut the strings. I'm not gonna cut them right now, but I will end up just cutting them. The extra length is good though. That way if you're tall, you have a lot of string to like pull up the dress if you wanna make it shorter or whatever. But not only that, the neckline is very versatile. So obviously I'm wearing a bra strap right now, but you can easily pull it and do like a one shoulder, and it sits really well, like it stays. Again, obviously I am wearing a bra strap, so just ignore that. But I just find the neckline is so versatile. Love this. I just love this. It's so, so, so pretty. And I was gonna say, you might not have an event to go to right now. Like, you might be thinking, oh, I love that dress, but I don't have anywhere to go and like wear it. But what I always say is you always need a pretty black dress, especially one that's this versatile, where you can make it more classy, or you can make it a little more sexy. Make it longer, make it shorter, especially a dress this versatile. I always say you need a pretty black dress in your closet because you never know when you're gonna get invited to something and then you can't find a dress to wear. You have something already in your closet. So yeah, I love this. It's very, very pretty. And what I love about it is it doesn't show your butt at the back. Because I always have that problem with short dresses. Like, I love how cute and like sexy mini dresses are from the front, but then from the back, the entire night, I'm always like pulling it down and like worrying about obviously my butt showing. So I love that with this dress, I don't have to worry about that. It's still very like appropriate and doesn't show your butt. So this dress I actually surprisingly really love. It's like a cute fall dress. It is more of that loose like sweater dress kind of style, but I do really like it. I do think I could have still gone for a smaller size and it would have still had that loose effect, but I wish I had a belt to show you guys. But just imagine if you put like a cute black belt right in the center, like right here. Just put a cute little black belt just to give it some shape. I think it would look really pretty. Here is another look at the color. It's a really like pale nude shade, which is really nice. So that is pretty much it, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed everything that I got from Shein. Don't forget you can get an extra 15% off using my code Macedo15. I am gonna leave everything linked down below in the description box, as well as leave the sizes for everything, because I know that that's really helpful. So yeah, I'm getting out of breath because I've literally been filming and trying on so many outfits for like hours. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.